Got the baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now. Let my bitch off the purse, she get 100 rounds. 100 rounds, hold me down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are working with a pre-cut, pre-colored closure wig. Y'all almost said frontal. I almost said frontal, and I swear this is not a frontal. This wig, let's just say I didn't expect to get this, but when I tell you this was so quick, so easy, anybody could do it. And I know everybody's always beginner friendly, I'm guilty of doing it myself, even though, you know, a lot of them wigs be beginner friendly. This was so beginner friendly and so easy, and it's so great for the girls who just want to throw a good wig on but don't want to have to glue and do all the extraness. This is the wig. So if you want to see how I got this look so quickly, please keep watching. Y'all, I'm not even gonna lie. I did not know what to expect from this look. Yeah, and this is a closure. Y'all, give me a second. Give me a second. I don't want to say I didn't expect to like this look, because one thing about me, if I gotta make it work, I'm gonna make it work. And I feel like, why didn't I film a TikTok? I'm so pissed, because I feel like when I don't film a TikTok and when I underestimate myself, that's when I do the best work. That's when I do the best work. And y'all, let me tell y'all why I feel like this is some of my best work. It's a closure. At this point, I feel like everybody knows how to make a closure, like super custom, you know, whatever, add a few baby hairs, maybe, whatever. I said I'm not adding no baby hairs. I do have to cover this though. But it kind of blends, but I don't want to make it obvious. I just might have to comb some hair over it. I'll figure it out. Whatever. So, not only is it a closure, but I think this is like a what, 6x6? Has to be a 6x6. Y'all seen that the bang already came pre-cut. So instantly when I decided to do this wig, I was just kind of like, okay, they're gonna want me to wear this straight out the box, which of course, just to model this exact wig, because the wig comes pre-cut. But I said, okay, my fear is, you know, anybody can style a wig and sell it to you, but it doesn't guarantee it's gonna look right. The style is gonna fit. It's no guarantee of nothing. So I said, I'm gonna have to make this my own, and I don't really know what to expect. But one thing I've learned is that one thing about me, I could do some curls. I can do any type of curl. Basically, I feel any single type of curl you could think of. No, I'm confident. I feel like I could do any single type of curl you could think of, right? And then I layer. So it's kind of like they started, but I finished it. You get what I'm saying? Like they started the cut. I said, okay, it's bangs and then it's straight. So what should you do? Add some layers after the bang so it don't look like boom, bang, and then hair, right? And then for this side, I just did the same thing. I just added some layers. Well, added a layer to the front part just so the curls could still be what it is. Cause see, the thing is, I could have went in, I could have cut it up, you know, layered it real hard like I usually always do. Or I could have just washed the whole entire wig and blew it out straight and did my own type of curls. But I wanted to give y'all a fresh out the look, like a fresh out the box look, but with a little bit of tweaking, because a lot of us don't wear wigs fresh out the box. We want to make it our own, we want to style it our own, you know, whatever the case may be. But some girls might want to rock this style, and I don't feel like it's my usual. Like, how did it fall like this? I'm so mad I did not put this on TikTok. Oh my God. This is so crazy. Like, my mind, it's like, my talent, I'm gonna give myself my flowers, y'all. I do not care. My talent is out this window, because I'm always gonna make it work. And I still decided not to do too much and still to keep this hairstyle as true as possible. And it still came out fire. Like, it still came out so, like, the front is honestly, I can't even say it's exactly how I thought it would be, because it's not. It's better. I don't know how I thought I was gonna do this. I was just gonna wing it. I don't know what I did. I don't want to touch nothing. This is great. This is amazing. So y'all, if y'all gonna get this wig, okay, follow this tutorial, and I swear I'm not just saying it because it's my video. Y'all see the proof? Is it the pudding? This is the pudding. The video is the proof, okay? It works. So, like I said, if you like this video, make sure you click that like button, comment down below. Let me know y'all thoughts. Let me know what y'all would have did a little bit different, or if y'all would have kept it exactly the same, because y'all, I'm not changing anything. I'm not changing a damn thing. And subscribe if you want to see more videos from moi, and I will see you in my next video. Okay? Bye, y'all.
So don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now.